Welcome to the ITSM Practice Podcast.
Hello, I'm Luigi Ferri and welcome to the ITSM Practice Podcast. Today we are answering the question, what drives asset management success? Let's start. What does ISO 55000 say an asset is? It's something that can be physical, like machinery, vehicles, servers, factory equipments, goods, buildings or land, or something you cannot touch, like brands, patents, copyrights, customer lists, licenses, or software. Why is it important? Because it has value to an organization, helping it meet its goals. What is asset management as per ISO 55000? It's about organizing how to get the most out of assets. How do you manage assets? By balancing their costs, chance for gain, and risk with what you want them to do. This helps organizations work better and reach their goals over time. How can we outline the benefits of effective asset management? Strategically, managing the life cycle of assets offers numerous benefits for organizations. It optimizes resource allocation, improves decision-making, minimizes downtime, and saves costs. Additionally, it promotes sustainability, prolongs asset lifespan, and ensures compliance with regulations, ultimately boosting resilience and competitive edge. Here are the key benefits outlined. First, effective resource allocation uses resources wisely to reduce waste and cost. Second, better decision-making provides clear data on asset performance to support strategic choices. Third, less downtime. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected failures and keeps operations running smoothly. 4. Cost reduction identifies ways to cut expenses, positively affecting profits. 5th, longer asset life. Routine maintenance extends the lifespan of assets by delaying replacements. 6th, improved compliance and risk management. Keeps accurate records to ensure regulatory compliance and reduce legal risks. 7. Sustainable practices. Encourage environmentally friendly methods and responsible use of resources. 8. Strategic advantage. Offers a competitive edge by ensuring reliable and efficient operations. 9th, data-driven insights. Asset management systems offer precise analytics to anticipate future requirements. 10th, enhanced organizational resilience. Prepares for potential changes, promoting stability and continuity. How do we grasp the concept of asset management life cycle? An asset is any resources that an organization owns or controls, expected to provide future benefits. This includes physical items, like machinery and properties, as well as intangible assets, such as data and brand reputation. The asset management life cycle is a structured approach to managing these assets from acquisition through to their eventual disposal, aiming to maximize their value, performance, and impact on the organization. What are the high-level stages involved in exploring the asset management life cycle? Planning. Establishing and verify asset requirements, considering future service demands. Key activities include demand analysis, cost-benefit analysis, risk management, budget planning, and setting performance metrics. Acquisition. Evaluate and select assets that meet specific needs and integrate well with existing systems, aligning with the organization's financial and strategic goals. Operation and maintenance. Maintain and enhance asset functionality to meet operational requirements and extend its utility, crucial for long-lasting assets. Disposal and replacement. Manage the end of life of assets strategically, considering their residual value and the impact of disposal on service and compliance. How does ISO 50001 enhance asset management practices? ISO 55001 is an international standard that provides a set of standardized requirements for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and improving an asset management system. This standard is designed to help organizations align their asset management with their business objectives, thus enhancing efficiency and effectiveness through the asset life cycle. What are the key components of ISO 55001? Strategic Asset Management Plan. This involves creating a detailed plan that describes how to achieve asset management objectives in a way that aligns with business goals. Management objectives. This component focuses on establishing clear, measurable targets for asset management that align with the organization's strategic direction. Performance monitoring. It includes setting up systems to consistently monitor and assess asset performance to ensure they meet the required standards and contribute effectively to organizational goals. Risk management. This aspect incorporates risk evaluation and mitigation strategies into the asset management framework to proactively manage potential threats and vulnerabilities. Documentation and accountability. Ensures all asset management processes are well documented, supporting transparency and accountability, and facilitating audits. Implementing ISO 55001 involves 8 key steps that help organizations efficiently manage their asset in alignment with their broader goals. The process starts with strategic alignment, ensuring asset management is in line with the organization's strategic objectives as outlined in the corporate plan. Next, an asset management policy is established to define the application of asset management to achieve these goals. Following this, a strategic asset management plan is developed to translate organizational objectives into specific asset management goals as per ISO 55001 standard. The fourth step involves defining asset management objectives to ensure that assets meet the organization's service or product requirements, covering aspects like performance, reliability, cost, and life expectancy. Then, detailed asset management plans are created, specifying the actions, resources, and timelines for managing assets to meet these objectives. Implementation follows applying the asset management policy, procedures, and plans effectively. The seventh step includes regular performance evaluations of asset performance using both financial and operational metrics. Lastly, improvement plans are continuously identified and implemented to enhance asset management practices, ensuring ongoing refinement and effectiveness of the asset management system. Implementing ISO 55001 offers several benefits to organizations, aiming to enhance their asset management practice. By optimizing asset utilization and minimizing maintenance costs, organizations can experience improved financial performance. Additionally, adhering to the ISO 55001 helps meet legal and regulatory requirements, which reduce legal risks and potential penalties. The standard also promotes enhanced sustainability by encouraging efficient use of resources and responsible asset management, which contributes to environmental sustainability and a smaller ecological footprint. Furthermore, achieving ISO 55001 certification can enhance an organization's reputation, signaling reliability and effective management, which attracts more business opportunities and boosts investor confidence. These benefits collectively support organizations in achieving more sustainable and profitable operations. How can ISO 55001 be integrated into organizational strategy? To fully leverage the benefits of ISO 55001, organizations should integrate the standard into their broader strategic plans. This integration involves engaging leadership at all levels, ensuring they are committed to the asset management objectives and the continual improvement processes outlined by ISO 55001. By doing so, organizations not only improve their asset management practices, but also align these practices with larger business outcomes, driving overall growth and sustainability. As we dive into the details of managing assets, it's important to stop and think about how we are doing things. Here are some questions we should ask ourselves. Are the strict rules of a standard like ISO 55001 stopping us from being innovative in managing assets? Is focusing too much on cutting costs harming the long-term health of our assets? Are our asset management systems making us watch our employees too closely? To wrap up, understanding and implementing the asset management lifecycle is essential for maximizing the utility and efficiency of an organization's assets. By adhering to structured management practices and considering guidelines such as those provided by ISO 55001, organizations can enhance control over their assets and support their strategic objectives, ensuring sustainable growth and a significant market edge. Thank you for joining us today in our podcast episode. And for additional insights and resources on the value and return on investment of asset management standards like ISO 55001, be sure to check the links in the episode description. I'm Luigi Ferri, and it's been a pleasure hosting this discussion. Thank you for tuning in. Arrivederci, and I look forward to having you with us in the next episode of the ITSM Practice Podcast.